Here's where we will begin to set up our Active Directory on our servers, as well as our individual clients. First, what we will need to do is to go into our General Settings, click on Network, and for this part we'll need to actually play around with the network cards, the NICs, to see which one works with which virtual box. These will be the default settings. We will select a NIC and ensure that promiscuous mode is allow all. With the attached to drop-down menu, you will need to go through each one to see which works with which. But for now I have it selected as NAT. But in order to get these options here, you need to select one of the other options. So I'll just select host only adapter. Ensure that allow all is selected. Go back to NAT. From here, you'll be able to select the network card. But because I have the VM actually running in the background, I am unable to select it at this time. So once you select it, and you find out one that's working, after multiple reboots of your virtual machine, just hit OK and let's go forward. Here I have Vista installed and running. I'll just close this. So from here we click on the start button. We're going to hit network. What we're going to do from here, we're going to click network and sharing center to enable a couple options. We need network discovery on in order to see the other virtual machines. We need to ensure that all virtual machines are on the same workgroup. From here we're going to click change settings, continue. Here we're going to click change again to change the workgroup. Feel free to put a workgroup name of your choice, but please remember it, and remember that it goes in all caps. For mine it's Chaos Zone. You can rename the computer at this point if you so choose, and then click OK. There we go. Welcome to the Chaos Zone workgroup. Click OK. It's going to prompt you to restart after clicking close. But for now we're going to just hit restart later. For the next option, we're going to click on file sharing and ensure that file sharing is turned on. We select it, hit apply. Next we go to public folder sharing, and we're going to select the second option, turn on sharing, so anyone with network access can open, change and create files. I'm going to hit apply. Continue. We leave printer sharing as is. Next we go down to password protected sharing and disable it. Hit apply and continue. We will also leave media sharing as is. So after that, we close our VM. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to restart my VM. Next I'll bring up my Windows 7 and go through the same options. I'm going to go to computer, network and sharing center. I'm going to do the same thing. From here we're going to click on change advanced sharing settings. We're going to click select, make sure and select the home or work profile, which is the current profile. We have selected. Ensure that network discovery is turned on, file and printer sharing is on. Turn on sharing so that anyone can access, read, write, create files. We're going to leave media streaming as is. And of course, we're going to disable password protected sharing. File sharing connections, we're going to leave that as default. I'm going to click save. After that, click on start, right click on my computer and go to properties. Here's where we will have to change our workgroup to the same workgroup we just put Vista on. So we'll change settings. Here we have the computer name, you can change it here if you so choose. We're going to go down to workgroup and we're going to give it the same workgroup name that we gave earlier to the Vista. Chaos Zone. Again, feel free to use whatever name you choose, so long as all the VMs have the same workgroup name. Click OK. After a while, it's going to prompt you for restart. Welcome to the Chaos Zone workgroup. Hit OK. OK. Close. Restart later. We're going to open back up. We're going to open back up Network and Sharing Center. Just refresh. C4 map. Just in case the Vista shows. Nothing as yet. So what we're going to do, we're going to restart. Back to Vista. Let's close this. Start Network. I will shut down my virtual machines and I will select the Vista, click on Network, wait for it to load up, hit Advanced. I'll hit the NAT drop down menu and select Host Only Adapter. Ensure that I've selected Allow All, hit OK. Go to 7 and repeat the same process. Host Only, Allow All. Next, I will restart my Vista and my 7. Right, my Vista is restarted. Click on Start again and go straight to Network. As you can see here, as we change the adapter settings, we now have limited or no connectivity. That's alright. We need to go back and change some of our settings. So what we'll do from here directly is just click and turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. Hit Continue. For this dialog box, we're going to select the Yes option. As you can see, our Vista client is showing as well as the host, which is my laptop. Just refresh one more time because the Windows 7 has come back up. And there we go. We have the Windows 7. So that's 2 down. What I want to do is go back to my Windows 7. I'm going to click on Start, back to Network. As you can see here, I need to turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing, just as in Vista. This is the same dialog box from Vista. We're going to click Yes and move forward. There we go. We have our host computer, our Vista, as well as our Windows 7 client. So that's 2 down, 2 to go. Our XP on our servers 2008. So I'm going to close this for now. I'm going to minimize. Next, I'll start off with my Windows XP. While XP boots, I'll start server. Here's our XP. Our XP is the trickiest and I would say the last child, the troublemaker of this whole family. What I'm going to do, click on Computer. I'm going to go to Network Places. You can see we have nothing here. Then click on Workgroup Computer and again nothing comes up. What I'm going to do from here is go to my network connections. You can see here my LAN connection is up and running. So what I want to do is right click on it, go to Properties, select Show Icon and Notification Area when connected. Hit OK. There we go. It's connected. What we're going to do from here, I'm going to click on Set Up Home Small Office Network. Or click on Start, right click on my computer, Go to Properties, go to Computer Name, go to Change, as we did before the other two virtual machines. You can rename the computers to what you like, as well as changing the workgroup. Our workgroup before is Care Zone. Ensure that all VMs are under the same workgroup, correct spelling and all. Hit OK to move forward. Welcome to Care Zone workgroup. Hit OK. OK again. Hit OK. Do not restart. With our network setup wizard, we're going to click Next. Hit Next again. For this part, I'm just going to hit Other, as well as this one. Leave the computer name as is, or you can change it again if you so choose. Hit Next. For this part, the workgroup name, again change it to what you have the other VM set to. Ensure that you have the correct spelling. Hit Next. Turn on file and printer sharing. Hit Next. Hit Next again. The install will continue. For this part, we're going to just finish user. Hit Next. There you go. We'll refresh. You select My Network Places, just to see if anything will show up from our other VMs, any shared folders. What we can do from here is also click Workgroup, My Workgroup Computers. When that occurs, I'll go to login on my server. We'll hit Machine and insert Control Alt Delete. Our password for our server was capital P @SSW0RD. The servers are currently unavailable. Okay, what we're going to do from here, we're going to just restart for changes to take place. XP boots. Our server has started as well. Click on Start immediately. Go to My Computer, My Network Places, Workgroup Computers. Here in our Workgroup Computers, we can only see our XP computer, nothing else. This can be caused by incompatible settings with your virtual machine setup. What you have to do is find a compatible setup for this version of our VirtualBox Windows XP. So again, I'll just shut down. While that's taking place, I'll go back to my server. As we can see from here, our server is set up under the workgroup. What we'll have to do is click on Start, go to Network. Here we're going to switch on Network Discovery. For this dialog box, we're going to click yes. And we're going to see our server show up in network items under the work group. And we're going to need to change that, of course. So we're going to go on network and sharing center just to enable a couple of things. Go back to network discovery, you're going to make sure it's turned on. And from here, we're going to change the settings to the work group. So we're going to click change again. Firstly, let's edit the name of the server. I'm going to name mine Chaos SRV 08. And for the work group, I'm going to add it to my work group I had before, Chaos Zone. Everything matches for the work group. I'm going to click OK. After this, it's going to prompt you for a restart. See, welcome to Chaos Zone work group. There's a restart prompt, close, and you restart later. For now, we're gonna ensure network discovery is turned on. We're gonna hit apply, hit yes again. After that dialog box, go down to file sharing, ensure that it is turned on. Public folder sharing. We're gonna click the second option. We're gonna select the second option. Turn on sharing. So anyone with network access can change and create files. You can hit apply. And another dialog box. Same dialog box as before, the other option, just hit yes. And we're gonna turn off password protected sharing. Apply for that. Once that is done, close off this and we can restart our server. Be sure to give it a reason. Once you started, immediately you're going to notice on this window that the computer name has changed and the work group as well has changed. So what we're going to do from here, we're going to click start with the network, see if our other computers are showing up. And there we go. All our virtual machines are showing up, inclusive of our host. I'm just going to open them up to make sure they work. I'm able to enter and share files. Right, so far so good. Right, once this is accomplished, we move on now to add in roles. I'll cover that in my next tutorial.